Hello everybody, thanks a lot for checking out my course. So in this video, we'll quickly go through the subjects that this course will cover. I was not kidding at all when I said that this is a very comprehensive course indeed. So the whole course is split up in 7 sections, each covering an important subject that you will learn. The first section is where we are preparing ourselves to lift off and start coding. I'll explain why you have made the right decision. And we take a look inside why PSD to HTML conversion is a must-have skill for any web designer. Then we showcase the final PSD design alongside the website, and I'm explaining to you how to ask for help if you get stuck. The second section is where we get our hands dirty. We're installing the right code editor alongside Photoshop, and then we are setting up our project environment. After this lecture, you can download the complete project files as well as my gift for you. The third section is where we are studying the Photoshop design itself. We are determining the size of the project and the fluid design. We are deciding the image structure to work with, and finally starting to slice up the design. I'll also show you how to implement Google Fonts in your website. Last but not least, it is the helper classes explanation. What are they and why are they very useful? The fourth section is where we actually start to convert the Photoshop design into a functional website. We are coding and styling each section, implementing the previously cut images. We are also creating custom columns for manual responsiveness, later with the full width concept and the fluid design that this website will offer. The fifth section is where things get fun. We are setting up famous animation libraries to work with, and we are preparing for the infamous iPhone turn-on animations that you will love. After you've learned, you will use these skills that you've gained and you will be animating the rest of the website by yourself. Also, relative and absolute positioning will be explained alongside the z-index positioning. The next section is where we start making the website responsive from scratch. We will learn about what are media queries, and we will take advantage of those to create our website responsive. We'll also be creating a custom responsive navigation drop-down menu the easiest way. The last section is where we say goodbye and where I give you the final project challenge that you will be asked to complete with the skills you've gained, and you'll be taking a random PSD design and converting it in your own functional website. But that's not all, because more bonus lectures will be added and are coming to the course over time. So, in this course, you are going to learn a lot. If this sounds exciting to you, jump right into the course and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.